electrician.
You see how this thing shot money in this house? You guys eyes will open. Eh? My dear, do you know any electrician?
What?
Jesus!
What's up my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING and welcome back to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, make sure to stick to the very end because this one is obviously going to be a short one. So make sure to stick to the very end, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. Drop nice comments guys, drop nice comments and share this video. So don't play, let's go have some fun. I don't dare my friends.
Yeah, stand up.
One color injection.
Blood of Jesus.
You mess. Hey! Which kind of nonsense be that one? You vex so. You won't kill the guy.
You were saying something before.
Sir, the guy said Pipos offers the best odds and bet on your favorite matches.
Tell me more.
Bet on your favorite team and make money,
even
sir.
soldiers do the bet.
You can receive a reward of 150,000 naira on your first deposit, sir.
So how do I get my money out?
It's very easy, sir, via local banks like Paystack, Flutterwave, and Moneyfy, sir.
I'm definitely doing that.
Sir, all you have to do is just use the promo code Oluwa Dollarz and get started, sir.
What about the link? How do I?
You click on the link on his bio, sir.
Is that how Sergeant Bato became a millionaire?
I guess so, sir. God save you so you know come out of food. I forgot you down.
I would have wasted you now.
I'm sorry, sir.
Come on, get out of this place.
Get out of this place.
Oluwa Dollarz, you don't get sense so.
Wait, are you bringing that to me? You're eating my meat. What could I have done?
I don't know.
Abi?
Something wine in Eureka.
Oh yeah.
Guy man,
This
you know,
guy
say
no get
people
sense.
beside they do comedy.
Yes.
People for no they look me less for this music. Okay. Nah, guy man hear music now. I sabi sing now. I can't even sleep for night. I carry you from my mind. You calamity from my head. You dey hear them? Sure you dey see say music na too. The music is very sweet. Bro, your music good. But my problem is say you know they package like artist at all. But the man, where you think say I go see money? Take the buy blink like Bonner Bob and Davido. I don't go get that kind of money now. My brother, you don't need to be like those ones. Okay. Artists then they look for an artist you can emulate. Which artist where I won't come emulate now? Emulate, like copy. Okay, you mean to the copy the artist?
You don't copy the video before. Okay, now Rema.
Rema self, they do those blink. I don't go fit do that one. Okay, I go find artists where I feed the copy here. No worry.
No, see,
I go package them, I promise you.
24/7 I just think of you, my baby.
You will be saying you can't do it.
Come on! Come on! Now this one will be a for
Portable!
Now wait, make I do promotion.
Portable! Zazu! This guy don't get sense. Nasboi, you don't get sense, don't worry. Don't worry. Buga! You don't dey Buga. You don't dey Buga. Crazy guy.
But no fikri make them take you away from me. I don't dey think. Nah, Chike, I make your music sweet. Your life no go sweet. Can't you see I'm the one that do chorus? Okay.
Exactly what Portable they do. Now they
tell us nothing without you.
Crazy guy. No, Nasboi. He's just ahead of so many other comedians and everything.
Yabisi. Let's check it.
What do you want buy?
The guy is so creative.
500.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't come with your already be that one.
Kill it. Now 500 naira. Ever feel see joy when and why me?
I don't want peace.
I beg you know how.
Yeah. You did it. With love. Oh yeah. Be 200. I will pour. I made a cool spaghetti.
Do.
How much food?
Oh yeah, shake, Jari. Hey! To be mumu.
You want to add food by yourself? Shaggy.
Oh, mumu not too much.
Which kind thief be this one? Oh.
Clapper for Jesus.
Shaggy, no verse.
I know this.
Ramola, you are back already.
Mama. Yes, ma. I forgot my dagger.
Sorry, Mama.
Now my son. God bless me with 6 boys, and they are all in the military. Hope no problem.
No problem. No worries. No problem.
What's happen?
No problem.
Guy. Yes. No reason your matter.
Run. 4 minutes. Okay. I beg, let me show my mama this picture. Now you made the use of my visual.
Kilo Shele.
Yeah.
The mother Kilo Shele.
Sir, I'm a regular customer.
Yes. Mumu will not get sense. Next time you go to.
Get out from the car. Jesus. Is anything I've not done for you? That you would still go around cheating on me? What's wrong with you? I picked you up from the gutter. I brushed you up. Who is this person you're talking to?
Baby, it's not what you take.
My slapping competition they do for you.
Wait.
Even Edoboy.
You are the goat, right? You think I don't know you? You've been going around helping men everywhere. Now, in this relationship, I'm the man. He's the woman. So today, your cup done full. Beast!
No problem now. What's going on here? I don't even know what's going on. Tell him that.
Get this guy to the boat. Let him join his brother.
Don't go in that trouble.
And you, enter the car. We'll settle this at home.
Go to enter trouble.
Yeah, hello? Don't worry, I'm on my way. Everything is set. We even have an extra goat.
I said, don't play.
Hi dear, hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
How much can I give you for a night?
Hey, what is this one? Who is this one?
I look like Olosho for your hair. I be at they do up. I'm waiting and go. I look like Olosho costume.
I will settle you well.
What do they talk now? I say I not be Olosho. Now so that they use people they do issue. I say I beg. I'm not interested. I beg.
$10,000 for a night.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
$10,000.
Hey!
Mama, I don't know say they see you. I be Olosho normally. I just they deny.
Hey.
$10,000. Who does that?
Thank you, man. Thank you.
You got my daughter pregnant and you think I will let you go free?
Oh, man.
You walk on the devil.
When you get to the barracks, you will explain to the devil.
What is it? What you know?
You see, money don't enter your eye. Money don't put her for trouble.
I think pack the clothes I told you to pack outside.
No, ma.
I'm going to pack it. And where are you talking to? Please don't pack the clothes before rain beats it, I beg. Go!
This guy, what they do like movie.
How are you?
I bow before your throne.
Kiki! What's the electrician I told you to call?
Who's the electrician?
You see how this thing shot money in this house, you guys have to open. Eh? My dear, do you know any electrician?
What?
Jesus!
How are you?
What? I bow before your throne.
Kiki! What's the electrician I told you to call?
Between the wine.
We're not the electrician.
You see how this thing shot money in this house, you guys have to open.
Oh yeah, come on your tools again.
Did you know anyone?
You know they do again. You know they do again. You don't get idea of what you go do. Hey, bro to bro, don't I don't forget this guy, bro to bro. What you talk this time? Hey, I couldn't read what was written there.
problem?
Give me your phone.
Why would I give you my phone?
I want to check something. Just give me your phone.
I cannot give you my phone.
Babe, I bought the phone for you. Give me your phone.
The phone for me, and so what?
I need to see that phone.
I cannot give my phone.
Let me see this time. Jesus. Hey, oh, this thing is too fast. I don't see I'm ready.
What's the meaning of this, babe?
Hey man, they go.
You I hate you. I hate you.
Bro to bro, that man. What's that his name? I forgot him. Louis something.
See this life thing, yeah, it's all about understanding.
Hi.
What's up?
I'm good.
Let me keep it short. Where are you going? Let me see if I can drop you.
Is this your car?
It's okay.
Yeah, it's my car, of course.
Oh, really? I'm just going down there and I don't mind.
Is this your car? Is this your car? That was the question. Is this your car? My car should be after now.
Alright, madam, my money.
Which money are you talking about?
I'm not talking to you. Madam, my money, I beg.
Take. She better tell you say we go use car carry this girl. She too like car. Because of car. You leave your own boyfriend, they follow my own boyfriend. As you say you no go give me peace of mind for my own relationship. Today I go give you peace.
Yeah.
Mama, what kind of peace are you talking about? You go rest in peace.
Voila.
Baba Galamba.
Yes.
Oh no, Baba, I don't tell when you enter this area.
My guys.
See, Baba, you go show boys love. You go show boys love. Oh no, see, Baba, you too fresh.
No issue. Which bank you do now? They use my sending us money.
No, they use bank. No, they use bank. No, cash.
What's in that
No,
cash?
they with cash.
Okay, you want to transfer?
I'm doing a transfer.
Baba, what?
You know they do transfer. Which kind of service is that?
My guy, you got account? Yes. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, put on here. The bank and everything. I do you 100,000.
What? Baba, see, nobody go buy your top for this area alone.
You sure say you do you won't feel this guy for trouble. You sure say you do 100,000.
I never see the money. It be like say no enter. I say, see I'm now. See, never reflect from my account.
God, you don't do anything.
So the money never enter.
You won't put this guy for trouble. Credit 100,000.
Jesus, this for reverse this money.
Hey,
go send this money to this people.
Hey, and they go don't beat that guy. Go so soon.
No be this guy was just sitting down for this place.
I said they don't buy him.
What happened?
They using our account send money for Agbo people. Now the boy said the money no drop. Now the Agbo boys drop.
Hey, and you know they lie you. Now me send the money. I just they go now they reverse the money. Now when I come back, man come send them for them.
Hey, if I quick come.
Anyway,
come show man. Open. Just send that for me. God, show my your face show. Your shoes shine fast on law. You na number one. You na for president or law. Open.
These people here, they don't get sense. No sympathy at all.
Wow, I feel good.
I feel good.
I knew.
Now shit, this guy wants shit.
BM.
Is that Aki? What are you doing here, Aki? You're smoking. Do that thing. What are you doing? Are you supposed to be in school?
Hey, she better not finish school. I don't finish school now.
Which school you don't finish? If you are finished school, how many when I see you are not finished school? Look at this small boy. Am I not the one that's Sabinus in your name? You are very stupid. Even if you are finished school, you are not supposed to find something to do with your life.
Are you whining yourself?
If you have sense, you will know where they are doing West African Real Estate Summit there in International Conference Center, Ibadan.
Why you won't go shit for person house? Front of person house.
Beyond school certificate, you are still working in Nigeria. You are here smoking. Find something useful to do with your life.
Uncle BM, if you don't find something to do with your life, yourself I go find something to do with your life.
You are very stupid. You are very stupid.
Capo. I'm gonna slap the. I'm gonna cut this. You go slap. You know we don't have anything.
Kapo, make I know yesterday slap you. Make I shook her. Leave on my lesson teacher.
I know say you no go do am anything.
Uncle Bien, I go save you.
I my option na 1 or 2 now, I beg now. Shey the one yourself. I go enter you.
Wake up father and you say.
I will give you back.
You no get joy.
You don't keep quiet.
We didn't cut. You didn't cut.
You don't keep quiet.
I go use this thing cut your mouth.
So what happens that so I have one meeting I'm going. Let me just be going. Sorry, but I didn't know if I using this place.
BM! Oh, sorry. Uncle BM, drop your phone.
My phone. No, let me.
I drop phone!
Drop your phone, Joe.
God,
I'm 50 Pro Max.
Leave am.
Yeah, the go. Yeah, Bob, come on for here, Joe.
Your bag, uncle.
Sorry, I forget my bag.
Hey. Wow. Wow. Which kind children of nowadays be this one? Like, picking where you train, you don't go enter court. I beg, I know they enter court too. I beg, there's no gain in that stuff. No gain. Maybe we'll find something they do. Find business. Do content creation. Just anywhere, just get off the streets. Do something. It's not easy anyway. But just try as much as possible to fix yourself into something. On the long run, you're gonna enjoy it. You feel me? So guys, what's your favorite part of the video? For me, I think everything was fantastic. Like from the go to the guy, the Bellington way because of 10k, you go enter inside motor. To the Bigmouth where electric shock. I think every part of this episode was fantastic. You understand? So what's your favorite part? Drop it in the comment section. And after this one, you can as well check out my other videos. I have so many other videos on my channel. Check them out, guys. Check them out. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel or you're coming across for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Drop nice comments, share my video, and see you in my next video, guys. Love and peace.